Do you have the skill to pull off the latest men's fashion trend? Today we're tackling Carhartt, a brand with a strong working-class heritage. Born out of the industrial heartland of America over a century ago, Carhartt has always been synonymous with durability, functionality, and rugged aesthetics. This brand has been worn by workers, hip-hop artists, and now, fashion enthusiasts. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of functional clothing built to withstand the harshest conditions. Styling Carhartt is all about embracing its roots. Pair a Carhartt jacket with simple, clean-cut pieces. Think dark jeans, a white tee, and some sturdy boots. It's about striking a balance between function and style, ruggedness and refinement. The beauty of Carhartt is its versatility. It's as comfortable on a construction site as it is in a hip urban setting. Now that you know the basics of Carhartt, you're one step closer to mastering men's fashion. Moving on from the rugged appeal of Carhartt, let's shift gears and talk about Nike, a brand synonymous with sportswear and street style. Born in the heart of Oregon in the mid-60s, Nike's roots are firmly planted in the world of sports. What began as a small distributor of Japanese running shoes has now blossomed into a global powerhouse, paving the way for sportswear fashion. Nike's signature elements: think comfort, versatility, and iconic designs. From the timeless Air Force Ones to the cozy tech fleece joggers, Nike has pieces that seamlessly fit into any wardrobe. Whether you're going for a morning run or catching up with friends downtown, Nike has got you covered. And mixing and matching, it's a breeze. Pair a Nike sweatshirt with some slim-fit jeans for a casual day out, or go all out with a full Nike tracksuit for that ultimate sporty look. With Nike in your fashion arsenal, you're ready to take on the world with style and comfort. Now, the trick to a truly stylish wardrobe is versatility. How can you incorporate Carhartt and Nike into your everyday style? Well, it's all about balance. You see, Carhartt's rugged appeal can be perfectly offset by Nike's sporty aesthetics. Pair a Carhartt jacket with a sleek Nike tee, or try matching Carhartt pants with Nike sneakers. The contrast is not only interesting but also adds depth to your style. But let's not stop there. A versatile wardrobe requires essential items that can be mixed and matched with ease. Think a plain white tee, a good pair of jeans, a sturdy leather belt, a classic watch, a pair of black and white sneakers, and a neutral-colored jacket. These items can be effortlessly paired with either Carhartt or Nike pieces, allowing you to create countless outfit combinations. Remember, versatility is key in fashion. Mix and match, and don't be afraid to experiment. So do you think you've got what it takes to pull off these trends? Let's take a moment to tie it all together. We've talked about the rugged workwear roots of Carhartt, understanding how its practical, durable style has made its way into mainstream men's fashion, adding a touch of authenticity and grit to any wardrobe. Then we switched gears and dove into the sporty, dynamic world of Nike, where performance meets style. We've seen how Nike's innovative designs have revolutionized the way we dress, infusing our everyday outfits with a dose of athletic cool. The key, however, is versatility. We've talked about why it's important to have a wardrobe that can adapt to different occasions and moods, and how mixing and matching these trends can help you achieve that. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a fashion maestro. Remember, style is personal. Tailor these trends to fit your unique look.